Naniniwala siya na pareho ng handa ang dalawang lider na tapusin ang digmaan.
I had a very good talk with President Putin. I also spoke with President Zelensky right after that. I think they both want to make a deal. It's too bad it took so long, but I think there's going to be something's going to come out.
Giit pa ni Trump, wala umanong nagbago sa kanyang paniniwala na dapat nang matigil ang digmaan na kumitil na ng libo-libong buhay mula sa magkabilang panig. Nakikita na rin niya ang pagnanais ng Moscow at Kyiv na tapusin ang labanan, bagamat nananatili pa ring mahirap ang negosasyon.
Well, I think he does feel pressure. He wants to end it, and Ukraine wants to end it. And we're in talks, and we'll see if we can get it ended. It's a terrible thing.
Samantala, dumalo sa NATO Summit sa Ankara si Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky upang humingi ng mas malakas na suporta mula sa mga kaalyado. Kabilang sa kaniyang pangunahing hinihiling ang karagdagang air defense systems habang patuloy ang malalakas na pag-atake ng Russia sa mga lungsod ng Ukraine. Sa kaniyang talumpati, binigyang diin ni Zelensky na malaki na ang nagbago sa modernong digmaan dahil sa paggamit ng mga drone. Aniya, napatunayan na ng Ukraine ang kakayahan nito at mahalagang maging bahagi ito ng kolektibong seguridad ng NATO.
Thanks above all to our drones, we have established the ability to strike across the entire depth of the occupied territory. And you see what Russia's massive attacks look like. They are very similar to what we recently saw in the neighboring region when Iranian forces struck their neighbors. Attack drones of different types, missiles, and a large number of ballistic missiles. We have raised our interception rate against Russian Shahed drones to more than 90%.
Muli ring nanawagan si Zelensky ng mas maraming Patriot air defense systems at mga missile interceptor. Aniya, ito na ang pinakamahalagang pangangailangan ng Ukraine ngayon habang patuloy na gumagamit ang Russia ng mga ballistic missiles sa mga pag-atake nito.
Today's wars have shown that current Patriot production is not enough to meet the growing demand for protection against ballistic missiles. That is a fact. And we must respond to that fact. Those who defend life need more Patriots. We have also discussed Patriot production licenses with our American partners, and I ask you to support our